Okay, good morning everybody. Good morning. So it is on the time and sale 7:34 a.m. and we beat 1200.25. Okay, and let's do this video as a follow-up from yesterday than what we did in the live room. Okay, for everybody. So let me take a pen quickly. Okay. By the way, I am apologize for my voice. I am not I am not depressed. I'm fighting a bad cold for the past 3 days. Okay, so we had a massive shoulder here, head, shoulder with the Goldman news at around 11:06. Okay, and we dropped. We dropped all the way to that famous 80-81 that I told you for days and weeks that this is key. 80 to 83.75 was key. We held perfect. Okay, we made a double bottom yesterday. Here you can see, and we're going forward. So now here's the key. Is this here at 98.5 a shoulder again? And we could consider the entire thing here a head, and then maybe a shoulder here. Well, it remains to be seen. It's already a little higher, from here to here. It's a little, but it could be another shoulder. Okay, so the key number this morning is going to be that 12015, and we are coming very close as I speak to you right now. 12015. If we go above 12015, then they might want to go for a retest of a double top here, which I have a 12-12-5. 12-12-5, everybody, above the 1.5. If we don't sustain that 1.5 today, we might play ping pong between 1.5 to the 95 and 95 to the 90. By the way, all those 5-point range there, 01, 95, 95, 90 is still bullish, by the way. It starts to be someone bearish below the 90, okay, and going to the 81. And really the bearish move would be below the 81. By the way, this is wrong. I don't know why the program is still stuck here, but it should be 90. So let's see if I can help you. But this should be 90 here. Okay, it's not 87 like yesterday. Yesterday was 87. Okay, this is 90. Okay, that's the big one for the day. Up here, boom, boom. You have it, 90. So okay, so I repeat quickly for the ES so that you understand the key. So by the way, let me show you another chart. You see some of the stuff that we use, we went right on the bottom on the daily yesterday. You see that turquoise line right there, boom. And that was 79.5 yesterday, I call it right there, boom. And we even called the 96 because the 96 was not only an EMA that I was looking at, but it was also very close to the left shoulder that you see here, 96, 98. So today, do we have a shoulder here and a shoulder here sustaining 1.5 going back down to 95, 90? Okay? And I would be cautious if you take shorts here, okay? Be careful of that 95, be careful of that 90. It still can sustain here and holding support, okay? If we go below the 80 within the next couple of days and weeks, this is bad. Below 80, we go straight down to 67 and 47, straight down, boom. Okay, so they are going to fight that ping pong zone. Ping pong zone being what? Well, 80 area to that 12 area. This is those 32 points, or it could be just this today, 80 to 21. Okay, so you're in a ping pong zone, which means what? You have to be prepared mentally to be able to do longs and to be able to do shorts. You see, like yesterday, I only took shorts. I only took longs yesterday. I didn't take a short yesterday because the volume indicator indicated that this will hold. Okay, but I'm telling you, overall, you're in a range that is a ping pong range from here to here, and you have to be willing to play accordingly. Let's go to the Euro Forex now before I lose my voice. By the way, the Euro Forex is at a critical point here. Okay, you see the Euro Forex I like to show you a daily because this is not really going to help you for anything. Let's look at the overall picture. Voila. So here's what you have in the Euro Forex. You have your high here at around 151, 152, lower high, and you start having higher lows, and we went out of this triangle, retest the triangle support almost. So let me zoom now because we could be at an interesting point for the Euro Forex. The power zone here is key. It was 34.92. We are above it. If we keep on going on the Forex this morning, and above that 34.92, 34.95, which we are right now, we could have a down flag breaking up to the 35.66. The key in the Forex is we are stuck in that zone, 36.60 area to the 34.90, those 200 pips. If we break down again on the Euro Forex, the key is can we hold that higher low, which here project around 33, 33.25. Okay, and you see we broke that triangle. So can we retest the triangle support, which we kind of did here, and go back here and break up? So I would look at the Euro Forex, interesting above 135, possibly 135.60, 136.60. If it goes back below 34.93, which is a nice stop loss here, a nice risk ratio, then it goes back down and retest the support of that triangle or the support of the trend line. You have a good day, everything. You have everything that you need on the Euro Forex and the ES for the day. Okay, see you. Make sure to those are free 3 times a week on our website tradingemini.com. We still have the webinar up that we did last week for 35 minutes. It's extremely powerful, extremely useful. I really shared a good stuff there that you can see for 35 minutes on the index page tradingemini.com. You can get those 3 times a week free on our site tradingemini.com or all week in the premium live room. Take care. Have a good day, everybody.